Hey guys, in this video you will see how I transform a white beat-up PSP into a Bumblebee transformer PSP. He also wanted a ton of mods, so stay tuned for that. Before I start the video, I quickly wanted to say thank you to Sharge for this collaboration and giving me these awesome Powerbanks. More info down below in the description. Let's go to the video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to modify a white PSP 1000. This PSP is from one of my subscribers. He lives in the Netherlands just like me and he wanted something unique. Something similar to the gunmetal grey PSP 1000 that I made in my last video. If you haven't seen it already, check it out in the description. Now he wanted to do the paint job himself, so I'm gonna disassemble the PSP and send him back the shell so he can paint it. And once everything is here, I will start the rebuild and the modifications. By the looks of it, it has a lot of wear, smudges and scratches. Hopefully the PSP is fully working. I'll test it out soon. I also hope this PSP has not been opened up before. Let's check that first. Interesting, that's the first. Warranty sticker is still intact, which is good, so we can work with that. Let me put the battery back in and let's see if it still boots up and test this PSP out. And everything seems fine, so we can go ahead for the disassemble. And here we have the USB-C port. Nice. Alright, on to the last bit for this disassembly, and then I have to pack it all up and send it back to him. Disclaimer: beware what you see here. Please don't skip this part. I am not a professional electronics hardware builder. I do these builds as a hobby and I like to be creative. Everything you see in this video is made with passion. All the mods done to it is chosen by the customer/subscriber. What they chose is what I will make. They are aware of the do's and don'ts. Thanks for listening. Let's continue the video. Alright, here we go. The shell came back, looking all bright yellow. He did the paint job himself, and I gotta say, he did a decent job. There are some minor imperfections, but I think that actually adds something extra to it, because it is going to be a unique build. Let's go. So the build is almost finished and it's looking really good. Also, this new power bank with Magsafe wireless charging just came in. Shout out to my guys at Sharge. This looks really cool. Now I can test my mods way better. Let's continue the build. So, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more, drop a like and comment what you would like to see me do next. Alright, time to send the PSP back to its owner.